Hey guys, I'm going to show you how to turn off auto delete messages on Messenger. If your Messenger chats are being deleted automatically, disappearing messages or a message timer is likely enabled for that conversation. So you can turn it off in a few taps. I'm going to show you how. So on Android or iPhone, you can open the Messenger app. Now open the conversation where messages disappear. Next, tap the person's name or the group name at the very top. Then scroll down and look for disappearing messages. Then tap on it. Then select off from the options. Now let's go back. If the chat is in vanish mode, so some chats may use vanish mode instead of a message timer depending on your device. So open the chat, now swipe up from the bottom of the conversation, just like so, or tap turn off vanish mode if shown, then the chat will return to normal and new messages will no longer disappear. So again, swipe up from the bottom of the conversation and release it, and new messages will no longer disappear. If you don't see the option, you can update Messenger to the latest version. So remember that disappearing messages are set per conversation, so you may need to turn them off in each affected chat. Messages that have already disappeared generally cannot be recovered. And that's basically it. Thank you for watching.